Colwell ground, Cessna 90559 at Fisher, ready to taxi
Alright, we're
northbound.
about to get permission. About to get permission to take off.
We waiting on permission to land.
No, to take off.
What are you waiting for if you done already took off?
Here we go, guys.
Oh, okay, nephew.
Colwell Tower, Cessna 90559 runway 4, ready to take
Alright.
off northbound.
I ain't all. Whoa, now. Hey, man, slow it down. Whoa. Did I just pass out?
Nah, you good, Uncle.
Hey, nephew, tell him. Watch them trees over there. Watch them trees, bro.
Yeah, he got him.
See
He
the
got it.
power
He got
line?
it. Just calm down.
Watch
So,
them trees. What's this? This where y'all live at?
no, that's where we fish at, Uncle. All right.
Nephew, look at the stop sign down there.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's all flattened up to the stop sign down there, nephew.
That's about 6 foot of water.
What's going on around here?
Lots of rain. Lot of rain lately.
Good God Almighty, look at that. Is that a lake over there?
No,
That's
that's
flooding.
yeah, that's flooding.
Good googly moogly.
Yep.
Well, this ain't where we be fishing at, is it, nephew?
Yeah, this Brody's landing.
This it?
Yeah,
Well, where you park your truck at?
right there, straight.
Right there, up down there, that's the parking lot.
Yeah.
And it flooded like that? Oh, good
Yep.
God Almighty, nephew, don't be moving this plane like that. You done made me about to have to pass out.
That's just the wind,
That's
guys.
right there, Brody landing.
Yeah,
That's Brody landing.
Yep, right down below us.
Where we done caught them catfish at? Where
hang
was
on.
we caught them
Hang
big
on,
old
let me,
catfish?
let me
Where you
get some
sent me on that
altitude.
video, you and your friend catching them big old catfish here, nephew. Where at?
Over here to the right.
Huh?
Hang on. To
Off
the right.
to the right.
Yeah. Let me get some altitude.
Well, nephew, turning to the right.
Okay, hang on. Let me get some altitude.
Nephew,
Yeah, I got you, man.
nephew, you going higher?
Yeah, just a
Oh,
little
boy,
bit.
what you going higher for?
Just to get above them
Good
wind
God
gusts.
Almighty, what you gotta go so high for?
Yeah. All right. So yeah.
Oh, but that's pretty though, nephew. But that show over there, that's where you caught them at. Over
Yep,
down there
right up
to the
there
right.
to the right in the main channel.
Oh, you don't want to give up your spots, huh? Okay, I feel you on that, nephew. But look at all that water. That's
Yeah.
creeks.
No, that's
That's
flooding.
flooded water.
That's flooded water.
Nephew, you kidding me? You got to be kidding me.
Yep.
What's that up there? Lady Bluff? That was Lady Bluff, ain't it?
Yeah, that's
Sure
Lady
is. Look at that. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh.
Been raining a lot
Oh.
lately, so this is what
Look
we.
at that.
This is the reason I
What that's
can't go
back over there
fishing.
towards I-40?
Yeah, that's I-40
Show
down
me.
there.
Good God Almighty. Look at that. What's all that stuff floating in the river?
Trash.
Trees and trash?
Yep.
I bet you ain't gonna put your boat in there, you nephew.
Nah, I ain't.
Hey man, why we going so high?
We ain't
Hey
going
man,
that
take
high.
this thing back, man.
Nah,
Hey,
man,
hey man,
let's take it back.
hey man, I'm too
I'm
old.
gonna get you
I
on
can't
the
be
ground.
flying
All right,
around with
I'm
y'all
gonna
like
get you on the
this,
ground.
man.
Let's
You
turn
gonna
it
get me in
around.
trouble, man. Hey nephew. Hey,
Yeah.
tell me to land this thing, man.
Yeah.
Come on now, don't be playing around, nephew.
Yeah, I'm
Let
about
me
to put
out
it back
here.
down. I'm about to put it on the ground.
Yeah, I see all that flooded over there back there. Yeah, man, look at that. You see them people property?
Yeah, it's
Surely
bad,
is on
man. A
their
lot of
property,
people
ain't it,
lost,
nephew?
costing a lot of
This
money
what you
for a
call a
lot of people.
floodplain,
man.
ain't it, nephew?
Yep.
How deep is the river right here, nephew?
About 40 feet. And then you got a couple.
40 feet and it
Yeah,
got some holes.
You got a
What
couple
you mean
holes about 60 feet.
A 60-foot hole where y'all be catching them at? What's them down there? Birds?
Yep.
Is them birds or them does me about to pass out and seeing dots? It was
Man.
birds, wasn't it? Whoa, nephew. Hey, let's get on back,
Yeah,
nephew.
we going back. Let's get them back.
Nephew, I keep on passing in and out.
You be alright.
Nephew, I ain't doing so hot. Get me
You
on
do.
the
You be
ground,
alright. We
nephew. Hurry
almost
up,
on the
nephew.
ground.
I need
Hang
a
on
cigarette,
one
nephew.
second. Hang on.
Whoa.
All right, man.
Oh, nephew, that took my stomach. That's like
Yep.
riding in the elevator.
All right. Let me get.
Oh, what you got bachelor on your truck for, nephew? You ain't
Oh,
no
man, I gotta
bachelor.
take
You
that
got,
off.
yeah,
You know,
boy, you think you cold, don't you?
Yeah.
20.
All right, y'all. Thanks
Woo!
for riding with
I'm
us.
about to kiss the ground.
Tight lines.
Good
Stay
man,
hooked,
why you
guys.
land so
I'll
hard?
talk
I'm
to y'all
about
on
to
the
kiss
next
the ground. Let me out of here.